In Miss Valerie can help. Today I'll be making an omelette. I'm gonna make an omelette without meat for the vegetarians, and then I'll make another one with a little meat for those who like meat. Okay, I have my onions, which I'm gonna start chopping some. I'm gonna chop my onions fine. I have my cheese. It's a blended cheese of Colby, Monterey Jack, and Mozzarella. They're all in this bowl. I have some purple onions. If you want to use whether purple or the white onion, it's up to you. And have my green and red peppers, which I already prepped. And my 3 eggs, which you use to make an omelette. Why 3 eggs? It's basically 3 eggs to an order for an omelette. Okay? 1 egg won't make the omelette fold in, so it's best to use 3 eggs. That's normally for doing an omelette, 3 eggs. Okay? Chop your onions fine. I'm going to crack my eggs. Okay, I'm going to whisk. And I'm going to whisk my egg. Oops. I did it too hard, so it spilled a little. I'm adding broccoli to my veggie omelette. Okay, so I'm cutting my broccoli, which I'm gonna saute. So I'm gonna do it with the onions. So I'm gonna cut it up nice and fine, so it cooks. So I'm gonna put it in my frying pan and saute with some onions before I add the eggs. I'm adding a little white onion, a little purple onion, and broccoli, and a little green and red peppers. I'm just going to saute these. Before I add the eggs. So it cooks a little, before it's not that completely raw, so it gives that nice little taste to it. I'm going to add a little herb to my dish. I'm using a little Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs, salt-free, to my dish. A little Italian seasoning. And of course, I can't leave out my little cayenne pepper. Gonna add my cayenne pepper instead of, if you don't want it spicy, then you don't have your little. I had a little to mine. Okay, and then saute. I use the cayenne instead of black pepper. So let it simmer a little, and then I'm just going to add my eggs. Okay guys, I put my salty onion and broccoli in a bowl, so and I clean that away, and then I'm going to add my eggs to a little oil. Okay. Notice it is just want it to set. I'm just rotating it. Notice the egg is getting cooked. Just using my spatula to get my eggs from off the edge. Just lift it a bit so that egg that is not cooked, just run it. Flip. I'm gonna add my salty vegetables to the eggs, and I'm gonna add my cheese. close it. This gives you a better done. Some people like their omelette well done, so you just let it sit. So the cheese is melting. Okay. I'm gonna take it out and you'll see the display of it. Thanks guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe since value can help.